Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, October 26, 2015. It's a chilly morning out there, but pretty much where we should be for this time of year. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior and a few suburbs in New Jersey. Otherwise, we're looking at lower to mid 40s throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, especially in the urban areas and along the coast, with winds from the northwest at around 5 miles per hour. Those winds will be veering today to the north and eventually to the northeast by this evening as high pressure shifts to the north of the region heading towards New England. Look for clear skies today with temperatures rising into the upper 50s to lower 60s, which is pretty much where we should be for this time of year. We'll take a look at the surface map. High pressure over the Great Lakes and over southern Canada will be the dominant influence over the next 48 hours. Meanwhile, we have a very strong area low pressure along the Gulf Coast, but was the remnants of Hurricane Patricia in the Pacific. Will continue to lift towards the north-northeast through the Mississippi River Valley over the next 48 hours before heading towards the Great Lakes and the northern Mid-Atlantic with periods of heavy rain for Wednesday on through Thursday morning. It looks like it's going to be a rather wet rush hour for Wednesday evening, that is for sure, with some heavy rainfall as a cold front to the west and this low pressure system lifts north and west towards, or should I say north and east, towards the northern Mid-Atlantic and New England for the middle of the week. The good news, Halloween looks absolutely beautiful. A little cool, but still pretty nice. So when we take a look at the radar, not much really going on. This is ground clutter. Other than that, it's dry conditions. You can see right on the edge here, we're starting to see some of that rainfall starting to push into Virginia from our area low pressure. On the satellite picture, you can see that storm kind of hitting a roadblock with the high pressure system to the north. Eventually, that high pressure system will give way as it shifts towards the Canadian Maritimes, allowing this storm to lift northward towards the Ohio River Valley and then towards the Great Lakes, driving all of this moisture right into our neck of the woods on Wednesday on through Thursday morning. So let's dive into the forecast. For today, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover to clear skies. High temperatures by this afternoon will rise into the upper 50s to lower 60s throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. For this evening, look for scattered cloud cover with winds veering towards the northeast, temperatures falling through the 50s. Overnight tonight, those winds will veer to the east around 5 to 15 miles per hour. And the morning low temperatures tomorrow will range from the lower to mid 40s throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, mid to upper 30s over your suburbs and the northern interior. For tomorrow afternoon, look for increasing clouds. A few scattered showers might try to push in over the Philadelphia metro late in the evening towards midnight. Otherwise, I'm expecting dry conditions for the most part, with temperatures rising into the upper 50s to lower 60s for highs on tomorrow afternoon. By Wednesday morning, periods of moderate to heavy rain will push into the region, becoming widespread by noon. Temperatures on Wednesday will range from the lower to mid 50s for lows and lower to mid 60s along the coast and mid to upper 60s in the Delaware River Valley for highs. A rather wet afternoon and evening can be expected on Wednesday. On Thursday, the cold front associated with the storm will drive through the region with periods of rain on Thursday morning, followed by slow clearing skies by Thursday afternoon. Look for low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s, high temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s before the polar air mass can get through with this cold front here, with a few lingering showers possible around noon on Thursday, followed by clearing skies. By the time we get to Friday, high pressure will be in complete control with clear skies. Look for lows in the mid to upper 40s, highs in the mid to upper 50s. On Saturday, high pressure in complete control again. For Halloween, look for clear skies with light and variable winds, lows in the lower to mid 40s, highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. And on Sunday, high pressure in complete control with clear skies with low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s, high temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. And on Monday, high pressure will be giving way with a wind from the southwest. Look for low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s and high temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. That's your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.